What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So I kind of waited until today to start my vlog. It is freezing. So I'm just now leaving the courthouse, and so as of Tuesday, I got a citation. I got pulled over right close to the house and got a citation for not having insurance. And I told the police officer, I was like, I had insurance since last year. And after that, he's like, he checked my ID, scanned the car. Come to find out, the insurance input the wrong VIN, so it's not under the correct VIN, showing that this car didn't have insurance. Now, don't know why you could have said, hey, just make sure you get that fixed, and I'll let you go ahead and go, because it's like, how far do you live? It's like right here. But anyways, I mean, I get it. I don't know, like, you just want to make sure that people are driving with insurance and not trying to fake it, and people getting the wreck and not having insurance and driving off. But yeah, that's crazy. Just got it dismissed because when the insurance corrected, it still shows that I had insurance as of last year, so I got that approved and dismissed. So that was awesome. When it appeared online, I checked it and it shows like $400 and something for that type of ticket. I was like, no, thank you. But so many things I've done already to the Z, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I did. I actually changed my my gas cover. Anyways, I changed that. I vinyl wrapped that. Order vinyl wrap from Amazon. So check that out. So after doing all that oil change crap, I had one more wrap left because I tried to wrap my mirrors. I'm going to try that again, actually. I got bird crap on my car. But I actually wrapped my my gas cap cover. So I feel like I did a really good job. Like, it's crisp. I just need to get the other side and cut the extra pieces and go from there. Very simple. So I guess wrapping is not all that bad. I'm going to try to wrap some stuff my own self instead of trying to take it somewhere. Unless I get frustrated, I'm going to go take it somewhere. But again, so far, I mean, it's a little part sticking to the car, but I got that wrapped around the corner already, all the way down. So again, this is looking really good. I did not get the 3M vinyl off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Or actually, it is called VVI VID. So I got that off Amazon for like $10. Not a big one, but like a good size one, small one, to try it out, see how easy this is. So also, I actually fixed my my outlet, or whatever you call those things, the connectors that connect to the sandwich plate. Instead of it going straight to the sandwich plate, now it has a 90-degree elbow going up, which gives it more room down there, and then more stuff started happening. So yeah, I'll show you. Don't know if y'all can see that clearly, but this is the way it looked underneath the car, and that's what caused like it to have a little lump underneath. So I'm going to finally replace those and put the other ones on there. And I just looked at it, it's going to give it plenty more room. I'm going to tuck that under the sway bar up here. But yeah. Alright, I'm going to get started on this, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. So I'm going to start draining the oil, change my oil filter, do all that while I'm underneath doing all this. Alright, so I got that up there already finally. It still looks like it's going to be down, but it looks a little bit better than it did before. So, it looks better now than it did before. So I'm going to get everything back together and call it a night, because I've just been fiddling with it. Test pipes, Y pipe, X pipe. Yeah, you go for it. So my dumb self, is actually did not tighten up one of the lines, and when I pour the whole 5-quart oil in there, it spewed everywhere. As I backed my car to the garage, so I put my car back in the garage, jacked it, everything, bought more oil. Yeah, what a mess. So we're gonna get ready to put all this stuff back together. I got it tightened, no leaks. I turned on the car multiple times, no leaks. And now it's time to put all that back together. All those right there are the 3 oils that I have. I haven't even taken them to get them disposed of, which I will be here soon. I got a 4th one on the floor. So yeah, and there's a mess. Anyways, enough of that. Let's get all this put back together. And this is what happened as I pulled the car out of the garage earlier. After I got done, I left a whole mess. So I'm getting ready to clean up all this mess. I had to use this board on this box. I was gonna have plans for it, but I might just toss this box. Yeah, left all that. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Until next time.